Hi student, let us calculate electric field at a point on the equatorial plane. Equatorial plane means it will be in the exactly in the line joining the midpoint of the two charges. Here we have 2 points A and B, and we are having charge plus Q and minus Q here. Exactly the middle point is C, and along the C, okay, along this point C we have to draw a plane. This is not a line, this will be a plane. If in that plane we are having any point P, that is on the equatorial plane, then at point P what will be the value of electric field. For this, first of all we will understand the diagram. Okay, you see here the diagram is like this. So R is a point, R is the distance from the point C. Okay, so CP equal to R, and as C is the center of the dipole, so the distance from A to C and C to B is same, that is A and A. So using Pythagoras theorem we can calculate AP. AP will be square root of A square plus R square. Similarly this side, that is PB, will also be equal to square root of A square plus R square. Now we will see what is the direction of electric field due to plus Q charge at the point P. We know that for positive charges the direction of electric field is radially outwards. So this is a positive charge, so the direction of electric field will be radially outwards like this. And for the negative charge, the direction of electric field is radially inward. This is a negative charge, so the direction of electric field will be towards the charge minus Q. So here I have written E plus Q and here E minus Q. So what will be the resultant at point P? The resultant at point P will be in the middle of E plus Q and E minus Q, that is I have written with heading, that is E vector. Okay, next we will see unlike in the case of calculating the electric field at an axial point where the distance of the point P was different from the two different charges, here you see the point P is situated equally from point A and B. That I have written here, point P is at equal distance. What is the distance? Square root of A square plus R square from point A and B. So what will happen? Electric field, okay, so electric field, magnitude of electric field at the point P due to plus Q charge and minus Q charge will be equal. So magnitude of electric field due to plus Q charge will be equal to magnitude of electric field due to minus Q charge. And what is the magnitude? It is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, either magnitude of either of the charges, that is Q, divided by the distance between them, that is A square plus R square root over whole square. So we got Q by 4 pi epsilon naught A square plus R square. Let this be the equation number 1. But one more point we have to see here, the magnitude of both the charges, the electric field for both the charges is same, but the directions are not same. See, the direction of this electric field is this side and this one is this side. So how to find the resultant electric field? For that, see here, now this is vector E plus Q and E minus Q. We know that any vector can be resolved along the x-axis, that is along the horizontal axis and along the vertical axis. So E plus Q, when it will be resolved along the horizontal axis, it will be E plus Q cos theta, and vertical axis E plus Q sin theta. Similarly, E minus Q along the vertical axis, this is E minus Q sin theta, along the horizontal axis it is E minus Q cos theta. Here I have to show you one important thing, that is about theta. If you will see the diagram here, this angle is theta. If this angle is theta, this angle will be theta because this is isosceles triangle. These two sides are same. This is theta, theta. Now, if this angle is theta, this angle will also be theta. How? This line will be parallel to this line. This is a transversal, so these two angles will be equal. Similarly, if this angle is theta, this is parallel to each other. This is a transversal. This angle is equal to this angle. So this angle between these two is 2 theta. One more thing about vector is the direction. Okay, here when we are resolving along the horizontal axis, the electric field due to plus Q and minus Q charge have the same direction. Here to simplify, I have just given the direction as I cap. Okay, so for both I can use I cap, but here you see it is j cap, and as it is opposite minus j cap I have written. But what is I cap here? Here we are not using I cap because we are not giving the direction in terms of x, y and z coordinates. We are giving the direction in terms of dipole moment, that is the direction of dipole moment is towards left, okay, and direction of electric field is towards right. So we can write the direction of electric field is opposite to the direction of dipole moment, okay. That is direction of electric field at point E is equal to minus of P cap. Clear? So what will do? The components of E plus Q and E minus Q add up along the x component. Okay, we can add this because they have the same direction, but they cancel each other. Magnitude is same. We have already seen the magnitude of the electric field due to plus and minus charges is same. So the direction is opposite, so they will be cancelled along the y component. Okay, so what will be the magnitude? What will be the value of electric field at point P? Electric field at point P will be equal to E plus Q cos theta plus E minus Q cos theta. And what is I cap here? I told you it is opposite of the direction of dipole moment, that is minus of P cap. So I have written here minus of P cap. Let this be the equation number 2. But we have already proved that magnitude of E plus Q is equal to magnitude of E minus Q, which is again equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught A square plus R square. It is from equation number 1. See, it is from equation number 1. So my equation 2 will become, these two quantities are same, so it is 2 times electric field and cos theta. And what is the direction? This is minus P cap. Okay, direction you see I have already written. I may not repeat it again and again. So this is 2. What is the value of E here? Magnitude of E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught A square plus R square cos theta minus P cap. Now here cos theta we have to find from the triangle. So what is cos theta here? If you see the triangle APC, in triangle APC, cos of theta will be equal to A divided by square root of A square plus R square. I have mentioned here in the triangle APC, cos theta equal to A divided by root over of A square plus R square. This value will put in equation number 3. So putting in equation 3, what we will get? We'll get EP will be equal to 2 times Q by 4 pi epsilon naught A square plus R square, A square plus R square, cos of theta equal to A divided by square root of A square plus R square. And what is the direction I have written here? Again by solving, we'll get in the numerator 2QA 4 pi epsilon naught A square plus R square to the power 1, A square plus R square here it is to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so next step will be 2QA 4 pi epsilon naught. This is x to the power 1, x to the power 1 by 2. So it will be x to the power 1 plus 1 by 2. So it is A square plus R square plus 1 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2QA 4 pi epsilon naught A square plus R square to the power 3 by 2 minus P cap. Now I have to apply the condition for R. That means the point R is very greater than the distance of separation between the two charges, that is R is very greater than A. So what will happen? R square will be very greater than A square. So we can ignore the A square term and our EP will be equal to 2QA 4 pi epsilon naught. This is R square plus A square was there. So we will omit the A square and we will be living with R square to the power 3 by 2 minus P cap. So it is 2QA 4 pi epsilon naught. This 2 cancel, R cube minus P cap. So minus P cap minus we can take to the front and we can write EP minus 2QA by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. Now this is giving the direction. If we will convert 2QA into the dipole moment, we will write 2QA is equal to P vector, and P vector includes this direction also, P cap. So EP equal to minus P vector divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. This is the expression for electric field at a point along the equatorial plane. Thank you.